Hello guys and welcome to another video of ours. Today we're going to be playing Mini Empires. Start the round, chat.
Nice.
Why? Can you please stop talking like that? Horizon. Is Horizon a good map?
Decent. But we didn't play on it a lot, which is nice.
Let's see. Please let we are on the same island.
Oh shoot, we got the bad spawn.
Okay, it's okay. Half of the game is rage quitting.
You know why you got the bad spawn, yeah?
Why?
We have way less territory than our competitors.
Oh yeah.
And when I say way, I mean way. Like I can count on I don't think on one hand, but I think on one hand and enough in
Okay,
the
every
half.
one of us
How
is
many
get.
farms we have?
Okay,
We
every
have
one of us is
one,
get.
two,
Every one of us gets
3,
3 farms and a
4.
gold
We
mine.
have only 5 farms left
Okay,
on
but
on
they
our
can
island,
invade a
and on
gold
our neighboring
island.
island there's only
And
3.
we can maybe we can invade gold island. Try to attack yellow. Maybe.
Well, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's are pretty spread out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 across the whole continent.
Okay.
Oh shoot! I didn't get another farm. What am I doing?
I think it's in a bit the time for the oil revolution, as we like to call it. AKA.
I call dips. I call dips on the protected gold farm.
Okay. Even if you didn't call dibs, which I don't really agree with dibs, you should probably take it because it's facing your territories and
You know which is the protected gold farm? Yeah.
yeah, the one with the mountains pretty much.
No, it's this one.
What?
The only way to get it to it practically is VSC, and who the hell is going to drop off there?
What do you mean by VSC? Like this one, the one
Yes.
wait,
Hey, my
what?
phone is. Hey, someone's calling me.
What?
You can only get to it via the beach.
What? No, you can pass through here.
Yes. No, I mean practically. Like
But that's
enemies. The only way enemies can get to it is only via the bridge, and no one is going to get to go through that bridge because it's because you have a beach like 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles away from your base, and I have 1, 2, 3, also 4 tiles away from my base. If it doesn't have to be
it's
in a
time
straight
for a little
line.
bit of a recon break. Let's see. No aggressism yet.
While the one that there is super far away from.
No aggressive moves yet. Okay, nice. Wait, it's actually problematic that only green and purple are left because it pretty much forces them into a 1v1 against us.
Listen. They'll get their island. We'll get our island.
We can also try out our new try again and show the viewers our strategy that we found that's actually quite effective.
Yeah, but they don't want to attack yet. Also, we don't have the budget to attack.
Yeah, and
Budget we don't have us. We don't have us budgetos.
yes, actually the strategy that we are using mainly after the new update
Is Holy Swarm.
and don't forget
Swarm them, my flying minions. Swarm them.
yeah, helicopters are just outright broken. Like
Yeah,
even a single helicopter can
the
destroy
only
an army.
vehicle that can hit them are Humvees.
Oh,
From
and
what
certain
we
troops.
saw, because missiles can hit. I'm pretty sure they can't hit
Oh, and the other
troops at
helicopters
all.
and the other helis, of course.
No, I mean land vehicles.
Ah, yes.
Destroyers can also hit them, but it
Actually
gets rid
makes
of the
sense
part of the hype.
if destroyers can, maybe.
Yeah, no, but I mean that Like you get it.
Yeah, I get the point.
The only, from what we tested, so the only land vehicle that can get them are Humvees, which really Humvees. But now you really have to use Humvees, or else your land for is worth nothing. Because
Yes.
tanks can't hit. That
Yes.
the only thing that
Tanks are now to the
the
meta.
only thing that tanks can do is just hit Humvees and be meat shields. And even that they're not that effective because of that.
Actually, not that. Not no aggression yet. Actually,
The helis have missiles.
no aggression yet. Actually. I'm currently constructing a gold mine. A few builders should do. What else should I get? Oh yes. Oh wait, should I save up for a
Speedboat.
helipad or like what should I do now?
I'm going for the oil rig next to me. You can go for the oil rig next to you.
Sounds
Actually, I have two
understandable.
oil rigs next to me. No, you
Sounds
know what?
understandable.
One is next to green, so it'll be nice and I won't touch it.
Okay, suppose.
I don't want to start war
Yes,
yet.
our strategy requires a lot of patience
Yeah,
and
I don't want to
money.
start war yet.
Yes,
And yet is a really key word here.
because our strategy requires patience, but in the long run, trust me, it's pretty much impossible to be the strategy in the long run. Unless you have somebody who actively tries to, oh nah, they're being pieces of, oh nah, wait, no, phew, they're not doing the piece of a
No,
sheep
it's
tank.
me. It's me. I want
Uh,
to get gold mines.
okay, save me some too, but okay. Because if they do
You know
like the
what?
strategy where
I'll
they
be
just,
nice. I'll try to negotiate peace. Okay.
okay,
I'll get the one in the middle because I got here first. You'll get and I'll block off for them. I'll block off that, but I won't put up any defenders that will hold their gold mine. Okay, so they're free to get it. Okay, I won't do anything to them.
yeah, sounds reasonable. Now I'm getting the oil drill, so I could start actually saving up for a helipad. Let's see, militarism reports. No signs of militarism yet. Wait, is this a military base? No. Oh wait, only ports now. Currently only ports and light defensive style
Okay,
militarism.
so I have a gold mine for you, and I have a gold mine for me, and I left one gold mine for whoever where one of them gets it.
Okay.
And I specifically won't put a turret here because then it will hurt.
I will also put a gold mine and I just need to quickly assemble a quick speedboat. Boat. Meanwhile, I should probably start saving up for a helipad. Because a single helicopter can shred actually a decent
Single heli,
non-helio.
I think you
Yeah.
meant. Should I? No, I don't want to seem too militaristic, so I won't get a military factorial. Actually, I get
Oh,
houses.
a navy is okay though because it's normal to
I'll
have
actually
this.
get houses. I think it's a good investment.
Yes. I would probably get a helipad first because it takes more money, but yeah. Now I can assemble another gold mine so I have a nice economy running. Because remember, economy
Let's see
is key.
what I will do. Oh,
Because
they have
I
a
think they understand we are
okay.
trying to do
No. They have a vehicle
some.
factory. If they get to put a vehicle factory, then I get
Yes, I
to
should
put a
probably
vehicle factory too.
place actually a helipad so I can show that I am capable enough at least. I will put it on defensive position, but it's going to be like a warning, I suppose. They can see.
I'm starting with the small things. I'm starting with the small things.
So in short, if they F around, they find out that they should probably don't should not mess with me. And the last builder is coming home from his quote unquote trip. Now my builders can start assembling the helipad